Hello viewers. Are you looking for the best foldable digital piano 2024? Here are my full reviews of the best foldable digital piano 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Keyboard Piano Folding Piano with Full Size Veetop 88 Keys Keyboard Digital Piano Wood Grain Touch Sensitive Keyboard with Bluetooth MIDI, Electric. Introducing the Veetop 88 Keys Keyboard Digital Piano, the ultimate musical companion for enthusiasts of all levels. Crafted with full-size keys and a sleek wood grain finish, this folding piano offers an authentic playing experience with modern features. Its touch-sensitive keyboard responds to your every nuance, allowing for expressive performances. Equipped with Bluetooth MIDI capability, this electric piano seamlessly connects to your devices, opening up a world of creative possibilities. Whether you're a beginner honing your skills or a seasoned player, the Veetop keyboard piano adapts to your needs. Its compact design makes it perfect for home practice sessions or on-the-go performances. Experience the joy of playing piano anytime, anywhere with the Veetop 88 Keys Keyboard Digital Piano. Unlock your musical potential and bring your melodies to life with this versatile instrument. Number 2. MIDI X20S 88 Key Foldable Electronic Piano, Full-Size Semi-Weighted Keys Portable Piano. The Strength Touch Key, support USB, MIDI, wireless BT, speakers. Experience musical magic anywhere with the MIDI X20S 88 Key Foldable Electronic Piano. Boasting full-size semi-weighted keys and touch-sensitive technology, it delivers an authentic piano playing experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pianist, its portable design makes it perfect for practice sessions, performances, or impromptu jam sessions on the go. With USB, MIDI support and wireless Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily connect to your favorite devices for limitless musical possibilities. Plus, built-in speakers ensure rich sound quality wherever you play. Whether you're composing, rehearsing, or simply enjoying music, the Magicon BX20S unlocks endless musical creativity. Number 3. 88 Key Foldable Digital Piano Keyboard, Full-Size Semi-Weighted Keys Bluetooth Keyboard Portable Electronic Piano with Pedal, Piano Bag, Charger, Bluetooth. Introducing the 88 Key Foldable Digital Piano Keyboard, a compact yet powerful musical instrument designed for versatility and convenience. With full-size semi-weighted keys, this portable electronic piano delivers an authentic playing experience suitable for both beginners and seasoned musicians alike. Its Bluetooth connectivity allows seamless integration with smart devices for access to a wide range of music apps and software. Included with the keyboard are essential accessories such as a pedal for expressive control, a durable piano bag for easy transportation, and a charger for uninterrupted play. Whether you're practicing at home, jamming with friends, or performing on stage, this foldable digital piano adapts to your needs with ease. Enjoy the freedom to create music anytime, anywhere, thanks to its compact design and rechargeable battery option. Elevate your musical journey with the 88 Key Foldable Digital Piano Keyboard, your perfect companion for musical exploration and expression. Number 4. Portable Keyboard Piano, 88 Key Electronic Piano Foldable Digital Piano for Beginners Digital Piano Keyboard 88 Key with LCD Display Professional Keyboard. Introducing the Portable Keyboard Piano, an 88 Key electronic marvel designed for beginners and professionals alike. Its foldable design ensures maximum portability without compromising on functionality. Equipped with an LCD display, this digital piano offers intuitive control and easy navigation through various features. Whether you're a novice exploring the world of music or a seasoned player seeking a versatile instrument, this keyboard caters to all skill levels. Its professional-grade keys provide an authentic piano feel, allowing for expressive performances. With a wide range of tones and built-in learning features, aspiring musicians can hone their skills effortlessly. Elevate your musical journey with the convenience and quality of the portable keyboard piano, a compact powerhouse that unlocks endless creative possibilities. Number 5. FVEREY 88 Key Folding Piano Keyboard. Full-size semi-weighted keyboard. Travel piano portable musical keyboard. Support MIDI Bluetooth electric piano 4. Experience music on the go with the FVEREY 88 Key Folding Piano Keyboard. Boasting a full-size semi-weighted keyboard, this portable musical instrument provides authentic playing feel wherever you are. Its innovative folding design makes it perfect for travel, ensuring you never have to sacrifice your music practice while on the move. Equipped with MIDI and Bluetooth support, this electric piano offers seamless connectivity to a variety of devices, allowing you to expand your musical creativity and performance capabilities. Whether you're a professional musician, a traveling performer, or a hobbyist, the FVEREY 88 Key Folding Piano Keyboard is designed to meet your needs. Discover the convenience of a full-size piano experience that fits in your backpack, enabling you to unleash your musical talent anytime, anywhere.